Hey traders, when you are trading different pairs, different instruments, the bits per value is not always the same. I get this question a lot. My trader asks me, why are they fixing a fixed lot size but they are getting different of amount money when they are trading in different currency pair? So most traders assume that 0.01 is equal to $1 per pip, but that's only true when you are trading the pair and with US dollar. So for example, like Euro US dollar or GBP US dollar. So once you move it to the cross pair like Euro Yen, GBP Yen, Euro Aussie, the value of each pip need to change. So it need to convert from the major pair like dollar yen for example or Aussie dollar, because the system need to convert the profit or loss back to the US dollar, which is the amount of money that you are using in your trading account. Alright, so here's how it works. For US dollar quote pairs, the formula is simple and straightforward. The bits per value is divided by the exchange rate, multiplied by the lot size, and multiplied by 100,000. Because one standard lot is equal to 100,000. So because of US dollar is already the quote currency, your bits per value stay roughly $1 per pips for a 0.01. So you can see that all the major pair that I'm showing here is equal to the same value of amount money. That is the same logic as well. So only for the cross pair here, which is the Euro Yen, GBP Yen, Aussie Yen or others, the bits per value is slightly different because they need to do the exchange rate first. So for yen pair, they need to analyze the amount of money based on dollar yen. So they need to understand what is the current price of dollar yen before they do the conversion. And for another pair of Euro Aussie, GBP Aussie, they need to convert from Aussie to USD as well, which is they will refer to the Aussie dollar. Here's the formula that I have breaking down to different scenario or different amount currency base. For US dollar base, it's very straightforward. The bits value is equal to the lot size divided by the exchange rate times the lot size times 100,000, which is the standard lot. So for the formula yen base, they need to slightly take an exchange rate which is available in dollar yen, and also the others one we need to do the convert as well. So to make it more simple, I will show you the example here. You can see here. So let's say we are trading the pair of Euro Yen. The exchange rate for dollar yen is like, let's say 160. The bit size is, let's say we are trading 0.01. So how much is the pip value? There is a formula here. So the lot size divided by the exchange rate times 100,000, the standard lot, times your lot size, and times the equal 12. So you will get this formula. So if let's say you are trading other currency pair, you can see that I have highlighted here. So that's the difference. You have to remove and change the exchange rate. That's how you get it. So to make it simple, we do not need to understand too deep, or if let's say this is too complicated, you can fully utilize the tools that is available online. So what you need to do is you have to understand these three things before using the tools that I'm going to show you. Number one is the capital. It's how much capital is your account. So for example, if let's say you are trading $1,000, just get ready, write it down, $1,000 here. And what is the risk that you are trading per trade? Let's say you are trading 1% or 3%. Let's say 3% of your 1,000 is $30, and you need to understand about what is the stop loss in pips. This is the most important things that you need to measure the range of your trading. So let's say for example you are trading 30 pips stop loss, then you need to jot it down here, and always start from thinking that how much money I can lose, not how much money that I want to earn. So once you got this information, you can go to MyFXBook. So in here you can see that this is the position size calculator. So for step number one, you just choose the currency pair that you are trading right now. So for example, you are trading, let's say Euro Yen. So account size you are having, let's say $1,000, and risk you are trading 3%. So let's say your stop loss is, let's say 20 pips, and you can click calculate. Because of here we have the dollar yen exchange rate right now, you will get the lot size very accurate instantly after click the calculate. So here you will get 0.23 lot size. So what happened when the trade hit your stop loss? So you will lose exactly $30 only. So to make it simple, just fully utilize the tools out there. You don't need to confuse yourself and make things complicated like all this formula. But here's the trick. When you are trading a small capital, the minimum lot size is only 0.01. But let's say you are trading high volatile pair like gold, you are placing the stop loss at 300 pips. Even with just 0.01, you will lose more than the amount that you are afford to lose. So how to solve it? There is only two ways. Number one is increase your capital. Increase the capital so that your risk per trade, let's say 1%, is afforded to the risk per pips that you are trading. The second solution is trading in cents account. So there is standard account and also cents account. You can trade cents account so you are more flexible with the lot size. So if you think that this video helped, make sure that you share to others, and I see you in the next video. Happy trading.